morning and welcome to Face the Nation. Coast to coast and around the world, the number of new coronavirus infections continues to rise. There are almost 40 million cases worldwide, more than 8 million of them right here in the U.S. On Friday, there were 69,000 new reported cases. That's the highest since July. With just over 2 weeks until Election Day, Americans are now able to vote in all 50 states, and they are going to the polls in record numbers. We've got a lot to get to. We begin this morning with CBS News national correspondent Mark Strassmann in Atlanta.
COVID America's third wave is so widespread, blindfolded, you could throw darts at a map and probably hit a hotspot, like Colorado.
This is the most since late May.
And Nashville.
Our key metrics are not going in the right direction.
And Ohio.
This thing has roared back.
Roaring by any measure into a public health crisis. 26 states are in the red zone for new infections. In all, 36 states have new cases trending up. 5 states have positivity rates higher than 20%. Especially shocking, South Dakota's rate, 36%, and Iowa, just under 50%. Madison, Wisconsin responded by opening a two-way drive-through. On one side, people pull in for a COVID test. On the other, they get a flu shot.
We're really trying to prevent a twin-demic. We don't want a lot of flu and COVID happening at the same time.
COVID's also on the minds of voters and these poll workers in California. PPE is a must. In the Houston area, election workers have their temperatures taken every day.
Voters are not screened because it is their constitutional right to vote. We cannot prevent them from entering a voting center.
With 16 days until the election, early voters keep stampeding to the polls. From coast to coast, masked voters spent the day in lines. In Nevada, standing for 4 hours. In Georgia, more than 10 hours. Pandemic or not, election experts predict Americans may cast a record 150 million ballots. For all the talk that a vaccine is imminent, COVID America's next few months could be rough. With colder weather, holiday travel and gatherings, disease experts predict the viral spread could accelerate. The spike in new cases could be dramatic and daunting. Margaret, that new vaccine can't get here too soon.
Mark Strassmann in Atlanta, thank you.